Hello everybody, and welcome to Chef on a Boat, where I'll show you how to create large flavors in small spaces. Well, today it's a very chilly 7 degrees, so I thought it would be a perfect day to make a classic Canadian dessert called Nanaimo Bars. So let's head to the boat and get started on that.
You'll notice from the recipe that this is very rich with lots of sugar and lots of butter. But then that's what makes it so delicious. When I melt the butter, I do it in 30-second increments, and after the first 30 seconds, I'll check every 10-15 seconds. Okay, that looks good. Next, I'll add the sugar and the cocoa powder. And give it a good stir. When everything is well dissolved, I'll throw it back in the microwave to bring it to about 165 degrees before adding the egg. And I'll slowly add it while mixing so the egg tempers and doesn't turn into scrambled eggs. Alright, that's thickened. Time to add our dry ingredients. What's great about this recipe is you can also make it gluten-free by using gluten-free graham crackers, which I did today actually. Let's give this a good mix. And now we're ready to make our base layer. The second layer is made with more butter. Here we'll be making a buttercream with icing sugar or confectioner's sugar and bird's eye instant custard. And a little bit of heavy cream. And there we go. All ready now to spread our second layer on top of our base layer. Okay, let's go ahead and chill this for a bit. And for our final layer, we'll be making a chocolate ganache, which uses some butter and then some dark chocolate. You could also melt the butter and chocolate the traditional way using a double boiler, but I like using the microwave as I find it much faster and easier. Alright, let's make sure this is well mixed, and then it's time for spreading our final layer. It looks great. Now back in the fridge it goes. This looks so good. I can't wait to have one of these. And that is how you make this iconic Canadian dessert. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Until next time, bon appetit.